We as shamans know about the nature. We know about the diversity in the forest. We are capable of healing methods. Our minds prevail over our rights. My name is Gonzalez. I was born along the Amazon River near Iquitos. 33 years I have lived in a quiet nature among the voices of natural spirit. But it is not like that anymore. Them, the humans, constantly have been cutting my land and taking it somewhere else. They killed my brothers, which revolted against them. They cannot be doing that, or soon they will be in big danger.
Money is the world's most powerful resource. People find new ways to earn them. As a result, people build factories and businesses to satisfy the consumer. This is what is happening in the modern day Brazil, submerged in bankruptcy. This is the reason Brazil is the main culprit cutting down the forest. It provides Brazil with some needed money, but is it really worth to the world? Every day more than 38 kilometers of the forest are being cut down. This is the same distance as from New York to Louisville. Why is it so important and why should we really care? This magnificent forests are stated by Dr. Rosana of Armenia, containing 50% of plants which can only be found there and 3% of plants that were discovered till today. Once given a deeper thought of exploration of the forest, people can find a solution of dangerous diseases like cancer, which takes lives of more than 30,000 people per day. Not to mention all the extraordinary animals that would die. The food chain would be broken down and cease to exist. People that derive food from the forest would not have it. But that is not all. The homes of the natives would be destroyed. The natives, the shamans, would completely die out from the ashes or move out. The natives know most about the forest and could help the humans make an antidote to diseases. Finally, the forest is called world's lungs. It cleans the air, ashes, helping us to delay global warming. If we cut down the forest by the year 2050, we would have a hard time existing. We would either be flooded by oceans or die from unclear air. How to stop the growing problem? Although some countries started acting, it is important we should join. We should build natural reservoirs with professional defenses and fences that would keep away the people that want to cut down the forest. Foreign countries should send money to renovate defenses. We should start regrowing trees or the humanity would cease to exist. If we do not do it together, forget about your children's lives. Everything you loved is going to disappear. Everything that you cared for. It is your choice and only your choice. Only if we join together, we can change it.
My people are in danger now, and only you can help it. Become a member of the people that protect the forest, or for your children, Earth is not going to be a livable place anymore. Only you can stop it.